Hi, I'm Amanda with Clive Coffee. Today we're going to walk you through your initial setup with the Lelit Victoria espresso machine. Let's get started. Step 1. Inspect the box and the machine for damage. Remove the machine from the box. We recommend saving all the packing materials and boxes. Set the machine on a sturdy and level surface and inspect it for damage. If you happen to notice any damage, please contact us right away. Step 2. Water quality and filling your machine. Before introducing any water into your reservoir, it's important to test it to make sure it's within a safe range for your machine. Use the included water test strip to verify the softness of your water. Ideally, we're looking for a hardness around 50 parts per million. For more information on water, take a look at clivecoffee.com/water or click the link in the description of this video. At this point, we're ready to fill the reservoir. Step 3. Starting your machine and filling the boiler. Plug your machine in and turn on the power switch. The machine will automatically start to fill the boiler. After the boiler has filled, you'll want to pull some water through your machine and group head. Press the shot button on the front panel to activate the pump. Once at least 4 ounces of water has run through your group head, push the shot button again to stop the water flow and insert your portafilter. At this point, you'll have used most of the water in your reservoir. We'd recommend filling your reservoir now to avoid running out of water later. Once the PID reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit, you're ready to start pulling shots. With coffee in your portafilter, lock it into the group head and push the shot button to begin pulling your shot. When you reach your desired weight or volume, push the same button to stop your shot. Switching to steam mode. Since the Victoria is a single boiler, you will need to switch between a brewing temperature for pulling shots and a higher temperature for steaming. It's actually quite simple to maneuver between brewing and steaming. Press the steam switch. The PID will begin to flash, showing the water temperature inside the boiler. Wait until the bar is complete. This will indicate when your machine has reached the ideal temperature for steaming. Rotate the knob on the right side of the machine with the steam wand pointed at the drip tray. When the steam starts to come out, close the knob. You're now ready to start steaming. When you finish steaming, press the steam button again to return to brewing mode. As a quick side note, the Victoria has a safety feature to return back to brewing mode when the machine is idle for too long to prevent damage to the heating elements. A few tips before we go. The Lelit Victoria features a PID, which allows for exact control over boiler temperature. Different coffees prefer different brewing temperatures. Dark roasts tend to taste smoother at a lower temperature, and lighter roasts typically taste best at a higher temperature, with the entire range sitting anywhere between 195 to about 205 degrees Fahrenheit. To adjust the brew temperature, first press the minus button under the display. A little wrench icon will appear. Pressing the plus button will allow you to edit this setting. You can now use the plus and minus button to adjust the desired brew temperature by 1 degree increments. To save the setting, leave the interface alone for a few seconds until the temperature readout stops blinking. Pressing the minus button again will show you the steam temperature, and continuing to press the minus button will allow you to program brewing times as well as the length of the optional pre-infusion. Continuing to press the minus button will cycle back to the normal operation display. The Victoria will automatically switch to standby mode after 30 minutes with the built-in energy-saving function. To wake up the machine, simply push the shot button. If you wish to turn off eco mode, switch off the power switch. Press and hold the shot, steam, and hot water buttons at the same time, then turn on the power switch. If you see the light of the hot water button flash, that means that the eco mode is now active. If the light does not flash, eco mode has now been disabled. For more tips on making the best espresso, take a look at our Espresso Essentials video here. And for advice on milk steaming, watch our How to Steam Milk guide here. For more coffee know-how, visit us at clivecoffee.com. And again, thanks for watching.